My name is Funk and I'm an adventure rider. Together with my bike and my tent, I travel through Europe and try to say yes to every opportunity that crossed my path. That's also how I ended up at the Dinaric Rally. It was my first rally ever and I had no idea what to expect. Unlike most of the other riders, I had to ride my bike back home instead of putting it on a trailer. So my idea was just to finish this rally and experience what a rally is about. And an experience it was. I'm very excited, so let's go! Now putting some energy in my body and then I'm ready for the special stage. Just finished the last special stage of today. It was freaking tough. I barely survived, but I did.